Morning, morning. Compost Awareness Week. How we doing? We're still kicking along here, and we're on to the fourth C, crop and plant diversity. Diversity is Mother Nature's secret weapon, and what a perfect thing to talk about today, being Mother's Day and all. Now, why do we want diversity? Well, if we think about diversity on top of the ground, that's also going to include diversity below ground, right? If we think about, growing one plant in an area, so what we kind of do with our monoculture crops for agriculture, or even when we're growing our turf grasses, that doesn't happen in nature. So that's why we have a lot of these issues and we have to put so much time and energy and products and stuff into that. So that's not what nature intends. Nature is wild. Look at a native prairie or forest. You see tons and tons of different plant material. So when we're doing that, these plants provide special things above ground, but then we get those critters below ground that we're getting our specialists that are helping out with certain things depending on what's going on within the environment. So, whether it's a pH change or a little bit of moisture change or that plant needs a certain nutrient or it can draw these kinds of things out or fight a certain pathogen or a pest if it comes. And then the other one is just that resiliency. So the more diversity that we have, the higher chance that we have the organism in place to do the thing the plant needs depending on what's happening within its environment. So that is super key. And that's where compost comes in huge there because we can make that compost with all kinds of different ingredients to create those critters, high diversity to put back into the system so that our plants have what they need. So keep it real. Covers those soils, keep them covered, and crop and plant diversity using the old compost.